In this today video, I will show you how to insert bookmark tab symbol in MS Word. So what you have to do is that you need to press Alt key and on the numeric side keyboard, make sure your num lock is on and you need to press 128209 and release the Alt key. And here you can see that, bookmark symbol is inserted. So here you can select it, make it bigger as your choice and also apply the text effect. What is the alt text code? You need to press 1 F 4 D 1 and alt text, and here you can see that the bookmark symbol has been inserted. So let me write the both code here. So I have mentioned the both codes for your convenience. So I hope this video helps you and understand how to insert bookmark tab symbol in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.